So we're going to make a few sauces. So one is going to be the Mayo Rose, which is what we're going to do here. So we've got ketchup, Tabasco, Worcestershire sauce, Japanese Kewpie mayo, and English mustard. 2 tablespoons. Ketchup, about the same of Kewpie. Mayonnaise. Some English mustard. Teaspoon. Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire.
I can't say that. A fair bit of that. I quite like that. I mean, it's all add to your taste. And we've got some smoked chipotle Tabasco. Whisk that all together. Taste as you go, and it's all personal preference. Probably going to need a bit more ketchup. Definitely a bit more ketchup.
This is like a lot of things when you're making them. You got your base ingredients, but then you can tweak it to your own flavour preference.
Absolutely. And I think it's going to need a bit more of this Tabasco, just to give it a little bit of a kick. I like mine with a bit of fire behind it. Okay. Okay, that's it. Perfect. Done.
And that's
Mayo
your
sauce. Okay. Here we are going to make a cocktail sauce, which we don't really use too much in England, but we do over the pond. We've got ketchup. I like to freshen it up with a bit of chopped tomato, lemon, horseradish, ground black pepper, Maldon sea salt, and again the chipotle Tabasco. Bowl, whisk. So we start off with the ketchup. Maybe, again, 2 tablespoons. You can be quite heavy with the Tabasco because it's quite spicy. A nice big tablespoon horseradish. And we put tinned tomato, and this is literally just to freshen it up. 3 maybe. Lots of black pepper, like it's quite a punchy sauce, this one, really good with prawns, crab. Some of this lovely garlic Maldon sea salt, so a staple in England. And then a nice big healthy squeeze of lemon juice. Again, same with the last sauce, it's personal preference. So you can add more, but you can't take away. Give it a quick taste. A bit more horseradish. That's good. Okay, again we get our platter back. That's our second sauce, cocktail sauce. Last sauce, we're going to make a very simple lemon mayonnaise, great with seafood. Kewpie mayonnaise, 1 lemon, black pepper. That's it, all you need. We'll start off with the Kewpie, 3-4 tablespoons. We'll take a little bit of the zest off half of this lemon. Not too much, half's enough. So the zest of half a lemon, the juice of half as well, actually, to be honest. Let's whisk that up. Let's make it a nice dipping consistency. Some fresh ground black pepper. Quick taste. Perfect. That's our trio of sauces.